Jill, ano mas better? To be loved or to love? Di ko alam. But what I do know is, which is better, the Adidas Taekwondo Mace or the Puma Speedcat Ballerina? Yes! Wala akong input dun sa first topic, but on the second topic, let's start off with the Adidas Taekwondo Mace. I have them in blue. 3 different shoelaces. Nilagay ko lang yung ribbons kasi bet ko siya mas girly pop. The material is suede, so it tends to, madumihan really quickly. This can tend to look wide on the feet if you don't style it correctly. So an issue lang I had with these is this keeps coming up sa back. I usually pair these with more pants or trousers. These are super comfortable. As someone with a wider foot, never ako nagka-issue dito na parang the sides are hurting or not. I wear socks with this. I wore it without socks as well. Mas recommend ko siya with socks kasi parang mali kapag walang socks na suot. So, ayun din. Keep it in mind, buy cute socks if you want to wear this with like shorter bottoms. I can say naman na these are true to size. I'm usually US women's 8.5 and I did get a US women's 8.5 and sakto lang to even if I wear thick socks. The Puma Speedcat Ballerinas, I feel like if you have wider feet, ang problem dito is baka hindi siya, as comfortable kasi this is more narrow. Yung apakan dyan is much more comfortable than the Adidas and especially meron tong cushion at the back. So if yung problem mo lagi ka nagpapaltos sa the back of your foot, I didn't have an issue with this. I'm a US 8.5 pero I got a 9 in this. If you're gonna ask me, Jill, ano yung mas bias mo when it comes to those shoes? I'm gonna go with the Speedcat Ballerina on this. Both really good shoes. It depends na rin sa style mo and what foot you have. So, ayun. If takot kang masaktan yung foot mo, Adidas all the way.